Right, so I'm on the Westminster Underground here, and I'm heading to Marty. What's the name of the place we're getting off at? I'm heading to Bond Street because we want to get to Oxford Street. So we're going down here, and platform 4, I think it is. So we're going way down under the streets of London here.
It's the Jubilee line, isn't it?
Okay, Jubilee line, yeah. So this here is Bond Street now in London. We're after coming up on the Underground from Westminster to Bond Street. Underground is fantastic over here, fantastic. So this here is Oxford Circus here. We're on Oxford Street now. And we're looking for grub because we're starving. Looking for a cafe or a restaurant. We can't find one yet. Loads of shops alright, but no cafe. Huh? This is Oxford Street now, all the shops, big massive shops and shit. Right, it's raining here now, as you can see, in London, and I just had a dinner with my sister in the pub across the road here called the Clackin, and I got a lovely lamb stew dinner and a pot of tea, of course. And of course the pot of tea came out and all I got was one cup of tea out of it, and it was 17 English pounds, so probably 23 or 4 or 5 euro probably for it. Anyway, yeah, that's nice. So I'm just on a side street here off Oxford Street, and I've let my sister go and do her wandering around Oxford Street. So we're going to meet up at 4 o'clock, so I'm going to go down some of the side streets here and have a look. I don't know what street I'm on here in London, but I don't care because I'm on an adventure. I have to say it's an awesome city. You need more than one day down in London. I come back again and spend a lot longer down here. 3 days for sure, because it's a fantastic city, fantastic. So this is called Soho Square here, and here's a statue to Charles II by Lady Gilbert in 1938. Charles II. Anybody want a game of ping pong? It's a nice little square here, Soho Square, and I love that little building over there in the centre. Very nice. There's a building there. Yeah, that building there, it looks modern, but it kind of reminds me of a design that you would see in Amsterdam maybe. See the way it goes up like that, you know, so yeah. I just can't get over the architecture over here. There is so much to see. I mean, really, if you're into architecture and different designs, picturesque if you want to call it, buildings, they're all here in London for sure. Now here's a church here, St Patrick's, what does it say here? It's a Catholic church here. Looks tall looking there, and I'm going over here to look at a building it's called Centre Point. Big tall huge building, and as far as I know, I think you can I don't know, you have to book it, but there's a restaurant on the very top of it, and I'd say it would have a fantastic view over the whole of London. See that building there now, look, it's huge. Yeah, so
I love it.
Across the road is that building I was just talking about there, Centre Point. Huge big building, and as far as I know you can book a restaurant up on the very top of it, and it will be absolutely fantastic to visit. And that's Tottenham Court Underground Station. I think that's one of these new stations from Crossrail, another big underground tube station, modern line they've just built called Crossrail. That building across here is called Flannels of London, and it just keeps changing colour all the time. It's lovely. Different advertising on it. See it there now. Right people, that's it from walkabouts in London in the rain here. I think I'm on Oxford Street here, and I'm just about to meet my sister now and head back to Stevenage on the train. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the little trip, fast trip around London. Beautiful city, fantastic architecture. I mean, if I brought my camera here, I'd be stopping taking pictures every 2 minutes for definite. It's just fabulous for sure. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. I don't know where it's going to be, but it'll be somewhere, guaranteed. Bye.